Let's go. Day 11. Starting at Pine Grove Furnace State Park. You see some of that. There's Pine Grove Furnace over there. And hiking back up to Duncannon over the next 2 or 3 days. See how the legs feel. And after that, I'll probably have 2 days left to finish Pennsylvania from the Maryland border up to here. Hopefully do that next week and have all PA done. So good day. It's about 51 degrees right now. It's supposed to go up to 70, so it'll be hot. And try to crank out 15 or so miles today. 15 miles to the next shelter. Then it's 18 to the next shelter after that. So we'll see if I go past that shelter. I could go to Boiling Springs. There's no shelter there. There's a campsite, but it's right alongside a railroad line. And I just talked to a guy who stayed there last night and said like 8 trains went by and made a lot of noise. Not a good night for sleeping. But there's a little microtel hotel right up the street from there. Could stay there. But I'll probably just stay at the shelter, do 18 tomorrow, and do like 8 or 9 to get back to Duncannon on Thursday. So we'll see. See if we see some deer. I think they'll probably be moving too. All right, have a good day. This one looks a little rickety, but looks like they're building a new one right there. Hasn't been done yet. This thing is definitely shaky. How about the name of that road? Like that, very much. And getting a little hungry now, so I think I gotta grab a bite to eat. And those rocks look like the perfect spot to do it. Quick break, head on. Love when there's an arrow telling you which way to go. Sometimes it's a little better than just the blazes, especially navigating around these rocks. And so far so good. Was hoping to see some deer, but no go today. Haven't seen a whole lot actually, but it's a beautiful day, so gonna keep pushing on. Okay, just a couple miles outside Boiling Springs. I'm gonna stay at the Microtel Hotel. It's about 3 miles outside town. I'll get an Uber up there and see how far we want to push it tomorrow. See how I feel when I get to town there. I'm in Boiling Springs. Did a little over 18 today. Not a bad day. Beautiful weather. It was actually hot. See how the legs feel tomorrow. May try to do 25. Don't know yet. Figure it out in the morning. Oh, there you go. A little potty break. Pass on that for now. Up here, there's a nice little lake in the middle of town. There we go. I think this is called Children's Lake. Right in the little town of Boiling Springs. Very cool. Good way to end the day. Sun going down over there. It's all good.